Hi everyone, thanks for joining on Backwoods Tales today. We've got some exciting news. They're doing an extensive amount of line work here in our neighborhood, and hopefully we will get our power restored soon. These guys have been great. They are working in all weather and they are doing a fine job. We so appreciate them, and we want to have you guys check out everything that they had to do to get our poles back up and the wires restrung. It's really fascinating stuff. If you're just now joining us, please check out the other videos in this playlist. We are recovering from a massive ice storm here in northern Michigan that did a lot of damage. And now I invite you to sit back and watch these guys go to work. We really wanted to show our appreciation for the linemen and all their hard work. We noticed that the crew in our area is from Quebec. So there have been linemen from all over the country, but also out of country. And we really wanted to show our appreciation to these Canadian guys for coming down here to help out in this disaster. We appreciate you so much. Thanks for all the work that you've done. Great job. Hey everyone, wanted to give you all some really good news. You might not hear all that background noise right now because we don't have the generator running. We are officially hooked up and have power. This is day 13, everyone, day 13, but we have it back. There is a line running from the house to the pole now, and just super thankful to all these linemen. They are working so hard in all weather, and really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. But I gotta get going because I've been wearing these clothes for the last couple of days. I'm gonna go do some laundry. Thanks, guys.